dito sa harapan. Very easy. Go. Start na. Stand up and read. Tama ba? Yung second one, very good. Then the next one, using the remote control to set signal to the video to determine patterns of the technique. How possible can devices Then yung last one,
It's the only part of the electromagnetic spectrum. You can see it's used in everyday lighting, and it's also emitted by the sun, allowing us to see and enabling plant photosynthesis.
very easy lang. So, yung last topic natin is electromagnetic radiation. So, ano yung parts na or types na non-ionizing? One? Yes. Non-ionizing. Wala, nakalimutan na. Yes? Yes. How about the ionizing? Yan, hindi nyo na matandaan. That is the ultraviolet X-rays and gamma rays. So, how is that ionizing is more dangerous to us than the non-ionizing? Kasi, yes, then, ano yung effect niya? Kills our cells. It damages our cells because of its high energy. So, correct. So, yan yung mga uses and effects ng radio waves, microwave, infrared, and visible light na ginawa niyo kanina. So, how do radio waves help with communication in phones and radios? Paano nga ba siya nakakatulong? Yes, Mr. Nakaheadband. How? Kahit yung simple ano lang. How do radio waves help with communication in phones and radios? Paano siya nagagamit sa everyday na technologies na nila? Yes. How?
To easily communicate
By
by using
sending signals. TVs. Controls and send signals to TVs allowing us to change the channels without moving. So, one example is like this. Hindi ko na kailangang punta sa harap para i-next yung slide. And how does visible light help us see things around? How? Kung wala lang visible light, makikita niyo yung mga bagay-bagay na sa paligid niyo, yung mga kasama niyo, kahit na colorful na. Oh. Visible light helps us see things because it reflects off objects and enters our eyes, allowing us to perceive colors and shapes. And now, since alam nyo naman na, we will have an impact investigation team. So, we'll have 5 groups. Count 1 to 5. Starting from there. Okay, now move quietly. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, and Group 5. So we have here guide questions and images and regarding your so brainstorm. Yes, use your brain cells. Paganahin. Sige po. Yes, turn around para makapagpapalala tayo. So kapag natapos na, you make your own clap. Then you raise your station. Only for 5 minutes. Basta na one paper kayo magtatanong.
Minutes pa lang. 11 minutes pa lang.
No, you don't need to copy the questions. Just answer na lang.
Sir?
Ito yung letter D. Number 25, ano, pati diary 10 kasi 6 months pa.
Sir?
Pati di 21 kukulaan at tapos ay dyan sa niya. Ano, sa 25.
Wednesday, sir.
Last 2 minutes. Namin na ba? Ready for tayo.
Thank you.
Stop na yung timer. Nowhere near dun pa. Kulang pa. 4 minutes. Represent mo pa yan. Next is po. Last 1 minute. Finalize nyo na. Yung present ko yan lahat. Ano? Na? Like parang ako, sabi namin noong morning, yung effect niya, ano yung pwede niyong gawin? Ilayo or mag-lesson ng time? Okay, finalize na. Ilagos na yung oras ko. Wala pa rin tapos? Kahit simple ano lang, explanation. Kung sa unang complicated, wait na. Okay, ang ilaw yung 1, 2, 4. Magahaan, mas yan. Ano na, wala ba? Unahin na natin yung station 3, ay station 4. Sige nga, mag-present na sa harap. Kung ano yung finance nyo. Kaya, lahat kayo. Wala na po. Ano magka-class?
Marinig nyo kung gaano malakas ang mga grade 10 Garcia.
Yes.
Oh, quiet.
Ayun na, just make it quick lang.
Giving it. Number 1, it helps of giving it to the plant and hold the human health. It giving energy to people. Yes, to prevent harmful exposure is clean in the carefully and maintain the heat clean and use it properly. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Station 4. So, nag-focus kayo dun sa microwave, hindi sa microwave radiation. So, you can note down. So, here are the effects of microwave radiation. It can slow down growth or dry out plants with prolonged exposure. To humans, it can cause astigmatism or and the things can prevent You have to make sure that it's sealed and maintain a safe distance. Yan yung mga heating of tissues. Kapag magpa-microwave kayo or gagamit kayo, kailangan ba nakadikit ka dun sa microwave? Diba hindi? Kasi syempre ka pumasok ka. You have to keep your distance. Also has potential eye and skin effects. Same as to isa, alam ka naman, ikinaagin na sa loob. Sometimes naman, you don't put your plants beside or in exposed area sa microwave kasi mati-disrupt yung growth. Sources of microwave radiation are microwave ovens and the wireless communication devices like mobile phones, yung mga ginagamit sa everyday like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices. So, what you can do is, you distance yourself, lalo kapag matutulog kayo, ilayo nyo yung mga cellphones or off or before 30 minutes na bago kayo matulog. Next group, Station
Good morning, everyone. This is the presentation of Station 1. Our topic is effect of radio waves from cell towers and bird control. How do radio waves from cell towers potentially affect bird migration patterns? Effects of cell tower potentially affect bird migration patterns by potential observations where content to wave lead their web communication starts. What measures could be taken to reduce any negative It can mitigate any negative effects by maintaining their keep them safe and avoid any deforestation but also you plant a base to the birds to make their earth farm. How can cell tower placement get adjusted to reduce costs?
The cell tower placement will adjust set temporarily their own house, but it can cause any problems with the tower because by emergency required because the tower has an electricity that comes out from the next building first when it burns it
Thank you, Station 1. So, yung effect is yung electricity. Wait lang. Discuss lang natin na konti. So, here are the effects of wildlife bird migration of radio waves. Radio waves may interfere with the bird's navigation. Kasi nga, di ba, they travel in flock. So, pag nahiwalay na yung isa, syempre, hindi na siya makakarating sa kung saan siya pupunta. And yung placement ng cell towers, pwede siyang babaan since matataas na siya, di ba? Matatamang yung ranges ng para ng mga ibon. Yan. Pwede rin magkaroon ng behavioral changes, sensory overload, pwede maapektahan yung sight nila or yung auditory. Hindi na sila makakapag-communicate. And worst is impact on survival rates. Baba pa yung count ng mga birds. So, next station. Thank you. So, infrared radiation is ecosystems. Section 5. So, the benefits are, it provides warmth for animals and plants and plant life and ecosystems. So, without that, hindi mababalance yung temperature. Tendencies is mamamatay sila due to cold. Vice versa naman, pag sobrang init, it can also cause them negative stress. So, yung role niyan is to balance the temperature in natural habitat. Ganun din sa plants and for us. So, the sources of infrared radiation include the sun. So, yun bang sunlight na tumatama sa inyo, dun ba nanggagaling yung vitamin D na sinasabi? So kapag ba nagbabad ka sa araw, ibig sabihin, yes, may vitamin D na sa katawan ko, ganun ba? So paano? The sunlight only helps the body to produce the vitamin D. So, mali yung sinasabi na magpainit ka kasi nandun yung vitamin D. No! It helps in producing. Okay? So, another one is fire and heat sources like flames, stoves. So, kapag nagluluto, you make sure na you are protected and may mga fire extinguishers in case of na mapalpak kayo mag-yuto. So, sa living organisms, humans and animals are receiving infrared radiation due to body heat. So, kapag, di ba, naulanan or nilalamig, pagbasa yung damit, we see body heat directly kasi it warms electronics, devices like remote control, infrared, like this one yung blinkers, ito meron siyang so those itatapot sa mata nyo kasi masakit. And the industrial equipment, machines and manufacturing need infrared heat and infrared based processing. So yung mga sources na yan, iba't iba or varying yung mga levels of infrared lang. So next, sino na? Station 2. Mas lawit ng station 2. Go na!
Good morning, everyone. This is Station Report. Give with everyone health sleep description. This is the method. What specific effect do radio waves have on sleep quality and patterns? Number 2. What steps can individuals take to reduce this effect?
The steps that individuals take to reduce the effects are having early rest and avoiding using alternatives during active.
Last question. How can technology use be adjusted to promote better sleep?
To promote sleep is avoid using phone, taking a rest all time to promote a better sleep, or you can use technology by watching, and it can help us to fall asleep by watching music and creating from the
And that's
So very good. So the benefits are it enables calls, Wi-Fi, and TV. No long distance communication. The potential issues may cause headaches and can impact your sleep pattern. Kaya nga, iwas cellphone. Kaya minsan, ito yung sinasabi ng mga magulang nyo na cellphone nyo yan. Kaya sumasakit yung mga ulo nyo. So the solutions are you limit your screen time or use airplane mode if hindi siya ginagamit. So last group, entertainment. Through that, nakakapanood kayo ng mga favorite idols nyo, o yung mga ano pa, napanood nyo, TikTok, diba? Anime. So, face-to-face are essential to give functionality or convenience. Minsan, dahil sa convenience na yan, tinatamad na, sulok ng cellphone, saan ang magagawa assignments. So, dahil ang galing-galing ng mga grade 10, palakpakan kayo mga sarili. Dahil dyan, you have a short quiz. So, pakiayos niyo po yung mga chairs. Very short ha, 5 items. May start na. Go, mabilis. Tapos lalo kung talagang nakikinig kayo. Sila na may mga I-circle nyo lang yung makikinig yung sagot. Whether tama or mali. May mabalik ko sa inyo ah. Hindi pa tapos? 5 items. Bilog-bilog lang. Okay na, exchange with your chief names.
by fluid of
Okay, that is correct. Microwave radiation. Okay, perfect na lahat?